Moon babes, welcome back to my channel, and I want to start this video off with saying I have recorded this video 5 times and it was all over the place, so hopefully this video is not all over the place. Yikes. If you're new to my channel, I go by SorayaTheMoon. I am a makeup, video, crew, whatever. I also do hair and apparently fashion. So welcome to the channel. I hope you have a good time here, so much so that you want to become a moon babe and stay here forever. I am wearing my raw curly hair, which I straightened about 3 days ago and curled today on camera, so you guys can see that. This is part of my raw collection. I will be selling both raw and virgin hair. But I don't want to give away too much because I want you guys to have something to listen to and watch in the video. And yeah, I will see you guys later. If you aren't already, please follow my Instagram, as I have been uploading content like almost daily besides the weekend because girl, I need a break. But I have been really working my butt off on my Instagram and trying my best to get content up there. So if you aren't already, please subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram. I will also have videos up there of what this hair looks like in its raw state while it's on my head. You guys can check that out. I will also be announcing when my hair company will be live on there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and let's just jump on into the video.
Okay, first thing I'm doing is starting off with my ball cap. I'm using some knee-high thigh lace thingies, and I'm just going to cut the back open because this stuff is tight. Next thing I'm going to do is secure the wig cap by putting on got2b glue, but normally I prefer using my wig glue to glue my cap down to my scalp, but I was trying to save some money, girl, because that glue is expensive. Next thing I'm going to do is start applying my first layer of glue, and I'm going to smooth this out really thin with a popsicle stick and wait till it turns clear. Now, while my glue is drying, I thought it'd be really cool to show you guys what the raw hair looks like, since I had some free time until the glue dried. And you guys, when you see these bundles, oh, look how pretty that hair is. This is the raw collection. This is the same hair I have that I'm going to be installing, except I'll have it flat iron, and it's so fluffy and soft. I love the luster of it. It's not super shiny, which I personally love, and I love the texture, and it's kind of like roughy and, you know, frizzy. Girl, listen, we're gonna do a whole nother video about this. Okay, so I've gone ahead and applied about 3 layers of glue, and y'all see how clear it was? That's how clear it needs to be when you're using any type of lace adhesive when it's not got to be glue. That stuff got to be like clear, otherwise, you know, you asking for trouble. And so what I'm going to do is just, you know, start rubbing the lace into the glue with a rat tail comb. Try your very best not to ever touch the lace and the glue with your fingers, because what happens is you're basically killing the glue with the heat and the oil that your fingers produce, and it's not gonna work, girl. So try your best not to. Once I have the wig all laid in, I'm going to start removing the clips. You should always apply your wig with clips, and otherwise there's no way for you to, you know, control the baby hairs and all that jazz. I'm going to brush my hair, you know, into a nice little sleek ponytail, and I'm going to tie a scarf around it. I do not, never will I ever apply a wig and like style it and go that same day. Lace glue needs 24 hours to cure, girl. It needs 24 hours. And if you see some, you know, like you see how my tabs are kind of like not all the way glued, you got to get that all done in the same day, girl. Because that's like the worst thing to have pop up is, you know, the tabs, the ear tabs. That's like the first thing that goes. So I always apply my wig glue at night or in the very, very early morning and secure it with a scarf. So here goes my scarf, nice and tight. You know, y'all know how it is when you gotta, oof, girl, I still got my scarf on right now recording this video. So I'm gonna go to sleep like this, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I comb my hair. So I'm using a 1-inch barrel, and I'm not curling in any particular way. I'm really just trying to get some loose curls in there. I've gone ahead and like sprayed some heat protectant on it. I've usually used it's a 10 brand when it comes to heat protecting and putting products on my lace fronts. So I probably use something from that. It's nothing spectacular though. I think like any heat protectant works. But I'm just, speed curling. Like there's nothing special going on here. Just, regular curling. Clearly what was I watching? You know what I was watching? I was watching an Adventure Time discussion because I finally finished the season, or I finished the show, and like, I just had so many questions and not enough answers, so that's really what I was watching when I was curling this hair.
Alright, Moon Babe, so that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned a lot. I hope you guys are excited as I am to be on this journey. Like I said before, this was definitely something I wanted to do as a means of supporting myself and being creative and having fun and just enjoying my work. I feel like so oftenly are we told to, like follow our dreams, and then somewhere along the line it's just like, well, get a 9 to 5 and do YouTube on the side and just do that. So I'm really excited to share this journey with you guys. I think I will create a YouTube specifically dedicated to my hair company in the future once it launches. I am heavily thinking about YouTube codes. Oh my god, my words are like everywhere. But I'm heavily thinking about coupon codes just for my YouTube subscribers and followers on Instagram. Even though the virgin hair will be extremely affordable, I want you guys to, just like, I would love to see you guys have your own opinion about the hair and, see what you guys think. This is a journey. This is not a concrete thing. So I'm excited to see how people react to my hair, whether they hate it, whether they like it, why they hate it, why they like it. And just, enjoy this with everyone else in the world. So thank you guys so much for watching. It truly means the most to me. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I see you guys following me and subscribing to me even when I haven't posted a video in months, and it is so encouraging to know that someone is supporting you even though they like literally don't know that much about you and you haven't really been posting. It's so encouraging. It really encourages me to keep going. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Of course, if you aren't, please follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you're ready to become a moon babe. If not, it's okay. I'll be here nonetheless. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.